In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your tooling to Notion using APIs and bridges. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure that you can seamlessly integrate your favorite tools with Notion and boost your productivity. The first thing you'll want to do is create a Notion integration. To do this, you'll need to head over to the Notion website, sign in if you haven't already, and then navigate to the My Integrations page. This area is the hub for all your integration needs where you can manage and create new API connections. Notion's API allows you to connect to various third-party tools and services, making it a versatile platform for organizing your workflow. Once you're at the My Integrations page, it's time to add a new integration. The option to do this should be clearly visible. Click on Add a new integration, and you'll be prompted to fill in some essential details. This typically includes the name of your integration and a brief description. Consider coming up with a clear, descriptive name that will help you easily identify the integration later. Providing a brief description can also be beneficial if you plan to manage multiple integrations, as it will help you remember the purpose of each one. After this, you'll receive an API key, which is crucial for linking Notion to other tools. With your API key in hand, the next step is to connect the tool you want to integrate with Notion. Let's say you have a project management tool you would like to connect. First, check if this tool supports API connections. Most modern tools should have an integration section or setting area where you can input API keys. Enter the API key you got from Notion in the appropriate place within your tool and follow any additional instructions specific to that tool for setting up the connection. If the tool does not support direct API connections, you may need to use a third-party bridge or tool to facilitate the integration. These bridges act as intermediary platforms that can read data from Notion and the tool you're integrating, allowing them to communicate effectively. As we wrap this up, remember that successfully connecting your tools to Notion can enhance your productivity by centralizing your work processes and minimizing the need to juggle multiple applications. If at any point you run into technical difficulties, consider reaching out to the support teams of Notion or your desired tool for assistance. They can provide guidance and troubleshoot issues specific to their platforms. That's it for today's guide on connecting your tooling to Notion. I hope you